to check Instagram Reel watch history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to check Instagram Reel watch history. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Instagram account, and after that just click on the Reel section from the bottom menu. And over here, for example, I'm watching this particular reel, and by mistake I just changed this, and now I want to find the same reel. So in order to find the same reel, all you have to do is just simply come to your home screen and just click on the profile section from the bottom right corner and click on the three dot menu from the top right. And over here, just simply scroll down and you will be able to see the option called your activity under the how you use Instagram. And over here, when you will scroll down, you will be able to see watch history. Just simply tap on it. And now you can see all these videos that I watched. So this is the video that I was looking for that I was not able to find earlier. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to check Instagram Reel watch history. I hope you find this video to be helpful.